A powerful magnitude 7.1 earthquake has struck southern Japan on Tuesday afternoon. The violent shaking, which registered at intensity 7, Japan's highest, was centered on land in Kumamoto Prefecture in the southern main island of Kyushu. Footage from across the region showed powerful shaking and some signs of destruction, including at a famed centuries-old Kumamoto Castle, where tourists were visiting when the tremor struck at 4:27 p.m. Japan local time. Among the hardest hit was a shopping mall where several people remained unaccounted for. Over a dozen workers of a paper factory are also reported missing, with the factory sustaining significant damage. According to authorities, over 46,000 people are without power as a result of the quake. Train operations were also disrupted, and videos of panicked passengers pouring out of train coaches are circulating. We can see how the quake was so powerful that it knocked this train carriage down on its side. Emergency responders are now on the scene to assist in helping the affected. Like most of Japan, Kumamoto is no stranger to earthquakes. In 2016, over 200 people lost their lives in a series of quakes in the same region.